Hey, this is Scott. Thanks for subscribing. Today we're getting a Solatube installed. I'm not doing this. A local distributor is. And what it is some people call them light pipes, but it's a clear plastic dome that goes on your roof, a very shiny reflective pipe that connects to a diffuser on the ceiling. And so it brings daylight into your house. That's what it looks like on the roof itself. And we're going to put this in a bathroom that's internal. It really has no natural light unless you leave a door open. So let's take a look. Here with the basins and mirror, no natural light whatsoever. So all we've got is some lights. Some artificial lighting, that's it. That's what it looks like before it goes up. It's a very shiny tube. They've cut the hole in the ceiling, that's where it's going to go. And what you can see above is the hole in the roof, which, there you go. So it's got a plastic dome, and a clear plastic dome on top. And now we're in the attic. You can see it all connected. The dome on the roof, the pipe, and the diffuser on the ceiling. The installation is complete, and you can see how much light's coming in. Before, without the skylight, this was completely dark, pitch dark. So now we're getting quite a lot of daylight. Nice little upgrade, cost just under $700. Well, thanks for watching. Just to conclude, there's a bunch of different options for your indoor diffuser. You can get different styles and shapes. We just went for the classic cover. I think it lets in the most light and it looks pretty discreet, to be honest. And there's some add-ons you can get as well, like a light kit as well. You can even add on a vent fan as well, and what they call a daylight dimmer. So thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe and see more videos like this, DIY or home improvement projects, please subscribe and like this if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.